Removing the pan from the wall. You will need a 19mm spanner, protective mat, protective gloves, and a set of grips. Start by ensuring the water is turned off at the mains, then place your protective mat under the pan. Flush the toilet, ensuring all of the water is gone. You may need to flush twice. With your hands, remove the seal from the back of the pan. With the 19mm spanner, loosen the plastic nuts from the pan fixings, using your hands to remove completely. Don't forget to do this on both sides. Keep the plastic nuts safe so you do not lose them. With both hands, carefully remove the pan from the wall, placing it safely on the protective mat. Locate the flushing water hose and carefully using the pliers, remove the clip. With the clip removed, pull the water hose from the water valve. You are now able to remove the pan completely.